Most people want a middle part but don't know how to style it the right way, and their haircut ends up looking like this, or this. If you want a real middle part that fits your face and gives you a true glow up, here are the top 3 non-negotiable secrets to achieving a perfect middle part in 2026, ranked from least useful to most useful. 3. Make sure you have the right length. No matter how well you style your middle part, you will always need the right hair length. For a perfect middle part, you need about 9 to 15 centimeters of hair. If you don't have that length yet, use rice water every evening to encourage hair growth and wear a durag every night. Next, fix your diet. To achieve optimal hair growth, you need to consume more protein and vitamins than average. Eat at least 1 gram of protein per kilogram of body weight. These habits can increase your hair growth from 1 centimeter per month to 2 to 3 centimeters per month. 2. Style it the right way. Most people just separate their hair into 2 sides, but that's actually the worst approach. Here is a quick tutorial to style it perfectly. First, moisturize your face and then brush it back. Then, part it into 2 sides like this. After that, apply some matte clay to add volume and texture, and scrunch while blow drying to finish the look. Don't hesitate to use some sea salt spray for a wavy hair effect. 1. Style your middle part according to your face shape. This is probably the best tip you can get because it will make you much more attractive. First, determine your face shape. You can use this TikTok filter to see what shape fits your face best. Then, style your middle part accordingly. Round face, add volume at the top of your middle part. Diamond face, add volume on the sides and cover the sides of your face with your hair. Oblong face, add volume on the sides and style your part horizontally. Rectangle face, create a wavy, undulated middle part for balance. Inverted triangle face, avoid adding too much volume on the sides and cover your forehead slightly. Oval face, add movement and volume, and feel free to style it as you like since most haircuts suit this shape. Now, you have a perfect middle part, but this won't matter if you don't take care of your hair. Make sure to follow the channel for more tips.